How to create handwritten sketch notes in seconds with a single prompt. Do you ever see those beautiful hand-drawn sketch notes on Pinterest or LinkedIn and think, I wish I could do that, but I have zero artistic talent? Well, what if I told you that you could create those professional-looking handwritten visual notes in about 5 seconds using just one sentence? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But here's the reality. You don't need an iPad Pro, a $100 stylus, or a degree in graphic design. Now let's see how to use AI to generate bespoke handwritten sketch notes in seconds with a single powerful prompt. First, why sketch notes? Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. Sketch notes help with brain retention. Research shows that combining text with visuals, the dual coding theory, can help you remember information up to 6.5 times better than text alone. Engagement. In a world of boring Calibri font slides, a hand-drawn look screams human and authentic. Speed. Manual sketchnoting takes hours. This method takes 10 seconds. The master prompt architecture. You can't just type draw a note about biology and expect greatness. You need a style stock. Here is the formula I've perfected. The subject plus the layout plus the medium plus the palette. Let's break that down. The subject, what is it about? E.g., the 7 habits of highly effective people. The layout, do you want a mind map, a flowchart, or a top-down list? The medium, mention felt tip markers, ballpoint pen, or watercolor accents. The palette, stick to 2 to 3 colors to keep it professional, e.g. charcoal gray with sunset orange highlights. The golden prompt in action. Let's look at a real-world example. If I'm making a video about the benefits of cold plunging, my prompt would look like this. A high-angle, flat-lay sketch note on a clean white paper background about the health benefits of cold plunging. Style. Minimalist hand-drawn doodles of ice cubes and hearts, organic cursive handwriting, neat arrows connecting ideas, professional block ink fine liner with light blue highlighter accents, 4K, crisp lines, no clutter. Pro-level troubleshooting. Sometimes AI gets a little creative with the spelling. It's getting better, but not perfect. Here's how to handle it. The problem. The fix. Too much gibberish text. Add minimal text to the prompt and add your own text in Canva later. Too messy. Use the keyword whiteboard style or architectural sketch. Wrong vibe. Swap marker for colored pencil for a softer, more academic look. Pro tip. If the AI gives you a great drawing but the words are spelled wrong, use a tool like Canva or Photoshop to use the magic eraser on the text and type over it with a handwritten font. It still looks 100% authentic. Where to use your new superpower. Once you have your image, don't just let it sit in your downloads folder. Use it for LinkedIn carousels. People love cheat sheets. YouTube thumbnails. A sketch note of your video's main point makes a high-click thumbnail. Lead magnets. Give away a hand-drawn guide to your email list. Stop staring at a blank page and start prompting. You have the tools. Now go create something visual. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI workflows that actually save you time.